So I'm going to show you a little bit more in Outlook here, which is my email, aka email. Let's go back to the inbox, and Ms. Schiller has sent an email about these hostas. And I actually have a friend who would be interested in these hostas as well. So perhaps I want to forward the email to her. I'm going to take the email and send it on to her. So this is the arrow that says forward. Also, sometimes at the bottom, it's also listed there. And so I'm just going to forward it. So you can see there's a subject line already, and it does have the FW, which is forward. I'm going to send it to my friend Margie, who has gardens and stuff as well. So, and I'm going to put a message in this too, just so that she knows what it is that I'm sending. Hi, Margie. Isn't that cool? Up. I got sent this email. Thought you'd be interested. And then my name. And then the email underneath is from Miss Schiller right there. So then I can just send that off to her. Okay, so that's how you forward an email. Also, I know that inside here, like I'm done with this email now. If I want to delete emails, I just have to go here and I can delete any emails that I have. Okay, so that's just a couple of more things that you can do. I also got a new email from Mr. Makowski, and this is an email, and you can see it says RSVP, which is respond. He wants a response because this is a meeting that he has scheduled. So I'm going to click RSVP, and it looks like it's a welcome back to school invite to a meeting, and I am going to say yes, I can make it. He will get this email back, and it means that I will be at the meeting. Maybe I'll be at the meeting, or no, I will not be at the meeting. So I'm going to click yes, and that automatically sends to him. So now if I want to look for that meeting on my calendar, right down here at the bottom, it looks like a little calendar. You click on that, and it will take me to my calendar. So there is the meeting that Mr. Makowski sent to me. I can scroll down and go to a new month if I want. I can go to a different year, but it's a good place to see all that. Now, if you want to make an event on this calendar, like let's say I want to put my birthday on here, I would just click New Event, and I'm going to call it My Birthday. I'm not going to invite anybody, but I'm going to put the date. And again, you can just scroll down, and my birthday is December 31st. I click on that, and it doesn't start at 10 and end at 10. It's actually an all-day event. Woohoo! So I'm going to schedule that. As soon as I finish that, all I need to do is just click Save, and it will save that event. So once I'm in here, it's the calendar. To find my way back to my emails, I just have to click on the little icon that looks like email, and it takes me right back to it.